Morning people, it's the morning of the night before, baby. I'm feeling a little bit rough. I don't feel too bad, to be fair. I think some other members in our group aren't feeling completely great. These two obviously, Daisy. Finley's feeling a little bit worse away, but we did have a lot more alcohol than the girls, so
yeah, you had two more drinks than us, and they're vomiting.
Yeah, there's something wrong with a bit of vomit every now and then. So today, big stretch. Anyway, so today we're going to do the Maya Beach.
Monkey Beach, Maya Beach, another beach,
all the beaches.
Tour.
We're doing a boat tour, just seeing all the like nice islands around Phi Phi, which I'm quite excited for, to be fair. Also, the best hangover cure is literally just jumping in the sea. Yeah, so it's going to be fucking fantastic. Breakfast / lunch, I've gone for a shock ham and cheese toasty. Rim's gone for a
bacon scrambled egg and cheese burrito.
It looks very good. Also, we can't figure out what our flag is. Like, for no reason, I can't think what it is. It's not Argentina, I don't think.
Where's the burrito from? I thought it was Mexican. No.
I was like,
but burritos are. I've got chicken noodles.
I thought it's pad Thai, so none of us have gone for Thai food, but it is what it is. Each got the closest, so round of applause.
Finley's thrown up the toilet.
I wasn't going to put that in, but Finley got done doing it with my wife. I'm just waiting to get on the boat now, but the water looks absolutely unreal. I'm so excited. Apparently I might even get to see some sharks, which would be really fun. Swimming with sharks, maybe. Only on a Coombs Explores.
I've actually never seen water this clear in my whole life.
No. Well, the Philippines was obviously very, very nice, but this is
clearer.
Yeah, it is, yeah, definitely. And off we go, baby. Pirates unite. So we've arrived at the famous Monkey Beach. I'm not going on the beach. I'm going to stay in
the tide is really in there, where like I've seen things where it's like
it's massive. Huge. I think that's probably benefits us both, because I really don't want to get close to a monkey.
Yeah, that's true.
This is the closest I'm going to get. There's the monkeys that fight everybody because they're dicks. Monkeys are dicks.
They are.
And I guess we are in their environment, but they're still dicks. We got a cave. I think we're snorkeling there. The Viking cave. Also, Monkey Beach, just a beach with monkeys on it. Very overrated. TikTok makes Alice this really a cool thing, but it's just being monkeys on the beach. It isn't a name. Don't know what I expected.
We're by the famous picture that everyone sees of Phi Phi Islands. It is nice, to be fair. Ready? Pussying out. Jump! For my love! Jump! He's just getting her goggles off. Go!
Ignore my absolute fit goggles and hairstyle, but this is the gaff we are currently swimming in. I don't think there's any fish here. I think it's just a nice swimming spot. Oh, is there? I'll try and find some fish then, Vivi. Look at all the fish, jellyfish. We're now walking to the famous Maya Beach. I mean, it's very busy. It's so rammed.
Queue up.
You have to queue up to get down here. It's long. It's all fast, to be honest. So we've arrived at Maya Beach, and it is a very, very nice view. Like, it's pretty tidy. You can go up to your ankle, which I didn't realise. I don't see what too much difference is going up to your ankle, because I guess, so we show you sun cream.
I think it's because, no, it's about the sharks, is why you get because they're
makes sense.
The coral reefs.
It's very, very cool though.
It's crazy that there's sharks right there.
Just there. But it's like a mating ground for them.
Hello, lady.
To be fair, it's really not as busy as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be absolutely rammed. And it is busy, don't get me wrong. Oh, but also, we're here for an hour and a half, and there isn't actually that much to do.
I think you can sit down, have a drink and stuff.
Yeah, it's true, yeah. Like,
I do think though, like, it could be busier. Maybe like the afternoon session will be rammed.
Yeah, it's not that I might take it back, and it might be a nice view to ever been to. With the sun on the water, it looks phenomenal.
That's amazing.
Also the white. The sand is even thick as my feet. It's fucking, this is brilliant. It's just so soft.
The sand is like really like thin sand. Yeah.
Oh yeah, also mentioning Finn, he didn't make it to the trip. Rest in peace, baby.
Oh yeah.
We left him at a stop.
He was too drunk.
I can look I'm burned now, if I'm not burnt. Bloody hell. Reef shark as well. Even cooler, I am gassed. This might be my top 5, or top 1 beach actually. Take it back. This is fantastic.
Where is it? That's crazy. That's so cool.
Ice cream on the beach, brilliant view. Living the life, baby.
Finished on Maya Bay, is it? Maya Bay, yeah.
Also, unreal beach, like phenomenal.
Stunning. But now it's 5 p.m. and it's literally like
Dead quiet.
dead quiet,
So
which is
we
like
have to get back on the bus,
really nice.
back on the boat. It's not going to be too hectic.
Yeah, everyone's
It looks
coming on.
absolute chaos trying to get on the boat
I do
earlier.
think booking the afternoon slots for like tours
Yeah,
are
we're,
the best
we're
thing
sunset
to-
people as well, so we like seeing the sunset, not sunrise.
Yeah,
so now we get to see the sunset as well as it being quieter.
That's true.
It's a
But yeah,
win-win.
I loved the beach. It was so nice. And then we just sat there for a bit, just like taking it all in, people
Had an ice
watching,
cream.
had an ice cream. It was
Living our
lush.
best life. You would have seen the queues earlier on my earlier segment, and now look at it. There is literally nobody here. It's like 3 people in front of us. This is a dream, maybe.
Right, we're in the water and there's so many fish around us. Let me take you under. This is so amazing. I can't believe we're actually in water that sharks are in right now. Like, I'm actually freaking out a little bit, but it's so nice. Right, we're going for a little swim away from the boat. You see, oh, see. Alicia does this little wiggle when she snorkels. I'm going to go under. We try to see if we can see it from
So
the
hopefully you guys saw it on
thing.
camera, because
Probably not.
I'm like 99% sure it is, but I'm like not 100%.
We probably can't even see it. There's so many fish. Like, let me see if I can. We've just stopped snorkeling now because it's really scary. Because like there could actually be sharks. But look at all the fish. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. All the fish. We didn't see any sharks there when we were snorkeling. But we didn't see any sharks.
No, I didn't see any.
No.
I think they'd be alright though.
Yeah. Get a little sunset there. I think in like 20 minutes.
Probably, yeah.
There's so many fish here now. Look at them. So cool. Oh, he's feeding the fish. That's so cool. They're such pretty fishes, aren't they?
Yeah. You're a pretty fish.
Thanks. Ollie just called me a pretty fish.
The sunset is currently popping me. Still not there Cleveland though.
It's not.
We're just heading back now. I think we're gonna go home, get changed, get showered, and then we're gonna go get some food, baby, because I am starving. Starving. What's everyone feeling? What do you guys want?
I fancy noodles. I might get pad thai.
Oh. See what I get? I have no idea what I'm gonna get. Smash.
Right, the boat has stopped and we are looking at the sunset. The sun has gone like really orangey and the skies are pink. It's so cute. What's it? The sun is just about to go pink. It's the glowing. Ollie's got his food.
Food has arrived, baby. I've
It
got
looks
like
delicious.
a chicken steak thing, not
Chicken
too sure.
schnitzel.
Yeah, just schnitzel pretty much, yeah.
Looks good.
That's good, baby.
Finn's got a giant pasta and my food is not here as per usual.
Rim's food has arrived and looks fucking unreal. She's gone for sausage and potatoes. Just finished our food and I got literal food, like food sweats. It was so good. Like, it's unreal. That's what I got left.
I just hiccuped and had to go for my mum.
Rim's done quite a good job, to be fair. Alicia's also done a very good job. Finley is still cracking through like the boy he is. Someone's got to complete that meal. Can't all tap out. It's going to wrap up another Coombs Explorers vlog, baby. We are absolutely sweating our tits off. However, we've got the lava cake.
Lava.
They're not going to try it on camera because I don't know if you guys enough. Apparently, if you guys like subscribe, on next vlog, you might get a lava cake trial. Ooh, a little teaser. Remember to like, subscribe, and peace.